Santa rolling in on a canoe to Waikiki Beach on this Christmas Day. Indiana State, TCU meet for the title of the Stan Sheriff Center.
A full circle, last 9 days, right? Just like you were talking about when you came in here. You've earned the right to do what a lot of teams don't get to do. You get a do-over. You've earned that right to play them in a championship game. All right, the first game down here, you played hungry.
6 to shoot. Nice drives it, spins, a fadeaway is good.
The second game down here, you stayed hungry.
Barnes with it. The pull-up three. Got it! Nothing but.
Dessert's waiting. Go eat.
Now, fellas, these two teams hooked up in Fort Worth about a week and a half ago, and it was a struggle for Indiana State. TCU beat them by 20.
Yeah, the inability to knock down the 3 of 16 from the three-point line, and they turned the basketball over. 20 turnovers in that game led to 22 TCU points.
Barnes rattles one in.
When Barnes has the basketball in pick and roll situations, you cannot lose connection with him because he's so quick into his jumper.
He's 51% on his threes. Waikiki Beach. As Jordan Barnes gives Indiana State the lead. And trying to help him through what he went through. The floater from Clayton Hughes for Indiana State.
Clayton Hughes, the fans back in Indiana State country, they call him game on, claim on.
One from North Shore.
Right.
He was so far behind the line.
Pretty beach, by the way.
Clayton Hughes answers for the Sycamores. Here's Williams. Tyree Key, the floater. And that cuts it to a 10-point game. And we've reached halftime in Honolulu.
Hey, all you got, do everything you can to get a chance to win a championship. We're going to play better in this half. Play tough, play physical, play with poise.
Compete on 3, 1, 2, 3.
And now a zone from Indiana State.
The 1-3-1 zone.
Jalen Fisher makes them pay for it. Does Indiana State have a run in them? Yeah. Williams leads the break. Key spots up for 3. Over for Ben Howland. And Bronson Kessinger. 71-58. 9 straight for the Sycamores. Evan Samuel can't handle the pass. The momentum over on Greg Lansing's side of the floor now. Inside to Christian Williams. 11 straight for Indiana State. Timeout TCU as the Sycamores are making a game out of this now. Offensive foul, a charge, and Jalen Fisher just picked up his 4th.
Number 13 giving up his body. Game on, claim on.
Keep fighting down there. You're doing a hell of a job. Keep fighting down there.
Right here.
And the rebound, Jordan Barnes. Outlet ahead to Christian Williams. Lays it in. Single digits now.
Happy with what we did while we were here. Obviously, we came over here to win a tournament, but we got better from the first time that we played it. We beat two good basketball teams on the way to get to a championship. It ran out a little steam. Ran out a little steam tonight against a really good basketball team. That's all it is. They are very good. And I said this is the type of team you see in the first round of the NCAA tournament. Okay, so that's how we got to keep improving throughout the rest of the year.
Well, we're fine, folks.
For sure.
Together on 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.